Hi crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you can subscribe, and I just want to come along today with this package I just got in the mail, and I'm going to open this with you guys. This is a Christmas swap with the group Made by You. I had intended on participating with the ladies and had a glitch with my Facebook. But in the long run, what ended up happening was that I ended up with a one-on-one swap with Ana Rodriguez. So thank you, Ana. I truly appreciate it. And I already sent her my package and she has received it on her end. So I figured I should go ahead and open hers. So I'm just going to use my scissors here and try to open this up. I hope everyone is doing well. And Merry Christmas to you if you celebrate Christmas. This month is going to go by very quickly, so I'm not sure how many more videos I will be doing on this channel. However, here and there I will try to log in and see what's going on and that sort of thing. I try to be supportive of other videos as well, even if I don't leave a comment, guys. It doesn't mean that I'm not watching. I will sometimes just allow your channel to play so that you can get the viewership, if anything. Okay, so there's a lot of peanuts in here. I'm just realizing this. Okay. Oh, she sent a little letter. Okay. Oh my gosh, and the cutest little peanuts. I have to show these to you guys. They're heart-shaped. Oh my goodness. I just don't want to show my address, but look at how cute. So there's a bunch of that. I'm going to take... Let's see how I can do this. I'm going to try to take everything out and then I will show you what is in here. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'll read you guys the letter first, but then, all right, I'm going to try to show you what she sent. Wow. She went way overboard here, guys. This is incredible. Anna. All right, so this is, I have to say, this is my introduction to Anna. I don't really know her personally, but I'm sure after this swap, as it happens all the time, you know, this is how you get to know other people and meet new crafty friends, which is the whole idea behind swapping, is to create new friendships. And so, okay, so the requirements for the swap were to make a shaped tag swap. This, of course, has been inspired by many crafty people here on YouTube who do these types of swaps in during this season. And so let me just read here. Okay. All right, so it says, "Hi there, Raquel. Hope you're having a great crafty day. So just a quick note, I wanted to send everything inside the stocking, but then it wouldn't fit into the box. Totally get you, girlfriend. Don't worry about it. I've included a couple of extras for our swap." Oh. So her extra gift, which was part of the swap, and I'm guessing that's what this is an altered DT album. And the tag is labeled with the word tag. Okay, that helps. That's awesome. Thank you. And it says, "Hope you enjoy what I've created for you." I'm sure I will. "And enjoy your holidays. Blessings, Ana Rodriguez." So thank you, Anna. Oh my gosh. How sweet. So she has sent, guys, a regular size Christmas stocking. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Completely decorated. Look at this. She decorated it with flowers up here. This gorgeous trim. Look at how beautiful that is. And then she's added a snowflake up here. She's added a Santa, unless it came like this, although I doubt it. And then this Santa has a little flower here as well. Another snowflake. And then it says 2020. So thank you, Anna, because then every time I see this, it's going to remind me of you. Oh, wow. Let's start here. And it says Merry and Bright. And this is gorgeous, guys. And she's added some poinsettias. This is so beautiful. This is right up my alley. And I like that, that you added the shine. And she's added here some... sparkle on these, and they're two different kinds, as you can tell here. And then this pink trim, it says "Let It Snow," and she's got the snowflakes here. Very, very pretty. And the paper is really beautiful. I like the scenery there. Oh, and look at that. Oh, you got one of Nicole's dies. It says handmade by Anna. Oh, how pretty. And then this opens up with Velcro. Oh my gosh, look at that. So, okay. Wait, so then this must not be the embellishment book. Unless, okay, I don't know. In any case, all right, it says, Merry Christmas. Thank you for swapping with me. This was loads of fun. Hope you enjoy what I've created for you. Anna Rodriguez, and look at how cute this is. It even has a little peppermint spoon, the hot chocolate, and a little Hershey's. So I'll be sharing this with my son, Anna, because I'm trying to be good about not consuming sugar, but I might take a little bite of that. But thank you so much. What a great gift idea. I'm going to have to borrow that idea from you. Thank you. Thank you. Then over here, let's look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so adorable. Anna, you're going to have to let us know where you got this die because this is stunning. The little nutcracker, and I have always given my youngest nutcrackers for Christmas. So it's so funny, just the other day, and this is the tag. She did say she labeled it. Just the other day we saw one and I was like, oh, do you still want one of these? Because he's getting older, you know, but oh, how sweet. I love this. And you know what I want to do is I want to put a little Christmas tree here in my studio and decorate it with pinks and stuff. So this will be perfect, Anna. This will be going on that. Absolutely lovely. And I like the bag topper too. So this here, she made some bows. Oh my gosh, and look at the charms. Oh, guys, look at how adorable that is. And then this one's got, let me shake it a little bit. Okay, no, I have to open it because you guys have to see the little charm. Although this is stapled, so let me see if I can get it out. Because you guys know I love to, yes, I can. Thank you, Anna, for packaging it like that so I could just slide it right out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. If I was a little girl, I would totally wear this in my hair. Although with my hair it'd get lost. But look at the Rudolph. And then the snowflakes on these. And I have the perfect use for these plaid ones. Thank you, Anna. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. So guys, hang in there with me. It's gonna be a long video, but I love watching unboxing videos, so I hope that you guys enjoy this one too. All right, and look at this. She's sharing some of those flowers with me. Oh, gorgeous. Guys, look at that. Completely just beautiful. I love the paper that you use for this too. And she did, I wonder if these are heartfelt creations, at least these. I'm not quite sure, but they're gorgeous. Thank you, Anna. Oh, how pretty. And look at this. Oh, it's a little gingerbread man with a little bow, and it looks like a real cookie. Oh my gosh, I think it's made of foam. That's really clever. And then the little mug, and it's also got a little ginger, and then this one is a sticker, it looks like, and I love that you added that straw. Oh, that is just beautiful. And even the backing, it's embossed. Very beautiful. And she added, she added this trim on the bag toppers. So she went all out and decorating those as well. And look at this one. I really love the background dye you used there. That is so beautiful. And this one's a shaker, guys. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, this is so pretty. Anna, thank you so much. How generous. I mean, she had some fun making embellishments, as you can see. So, Anna, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's so, so very sweet of you. And let's see now. I think this is her extra gift. Oh, my word. I'm telling you, these ladies are so, so talented. And by the way, this is from the group. Cannot speak English. This is from the group Made by You on YouTube. Or I'm sorry, Facebook. Okay, let me start over. This is from the group Made by You on Facebook. And so yeah, talented bunch of ladies. And I am so very, very pleased, you know, to keep meeting each one of them little by little. Oh, no way! She used my favorite Christmas paper. Oh, Anna. Anna. Girl. All right, let me move this aside. Look at this. Oh, let's just take it all in. Gorgeous. This paper has been discontinued and it is by Minte. I used this last year to make a Christmas mini album and I haven't even put pictures in it because I think the album is so beautiful. But look at that. She used that poinsettia layered here and I just love that. So pretty. And then look at what she put on the spine. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. She put the nutcracker on the spine. And I always think of, I have trouble saying that word because I'm thinking in Spanish, guys, so. But I know what it is. And then this gorgeous pink seam binding. And she's framed it all in gold. Very classy. How pretty. And this must be, oh, wow. This is what she was, okay. The embellishment book she was talking about. So she's added some pink tags in this beautiful shape. I love the corners on that. And then these here, how adorable. So I could put the pictures on the back if I wanted to and then do some journaling. And she's added this corner pocket, absolutely gorgeous. And everything is so pristine and beautiful. And then this is her first page here. She's used the paper collection. So this would be perfect just to go ahead and add the pictures in here. Super simple, but I could also use it to add a little bit of journaling. But she's inked the edges of the paper and she's left some for me to do as I wish. Anna, this was so sweet of you to do. I love this. What an excellent idea, because I have room here for tons of pictures. And then not only that, but she's added the little frames also that come from the paper collection. So I could alter that if I wanted to, or just leave it as is. Anna, this is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I am so thrilled to have been partnered with you, or actually that you reached out to me, because Anna reached out to me when I missed out on my deadline because I'm a ditz and I was having issues with Facebook and just, forget it. But look at how adorable all of this is, guys. Take it all in because that's what I'm going to do. I think it's gorgeous. Anna, thank you for being so generous with me. I hope that you have a blessed Christmas as well. And I thank you for just, you know, sharing your talent with us too, because anytime that I see something that someone else has made, I get just so inspired, and it really just gives me a reason to keep doing what I'm doing also, because I realize that I have so much more to learn, you know. So, but I thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, that you also have a blessed Christmas, and that you be inspired and be blessed, as I always say. Ciao, ciao. Bye.